Then there's MetaGPT, and this one is super specialized. It really takes the whole agent team idea to the extreme. It assigns roles you'd find in a software company, like product manager or engineer, and then it makes them follow standard operating procedures, basically a corporate rulebook. It's like simulating an entire mini company just to write code.
Okay, wow. We have covered a lot of ground, right? From individual bricks all the way up to entire assembly lines. So that leads to the big question. With all these different options, how on earth do you choose the right one for your project?
Which one is right for you? It really all comes down to one fundamental trade-off that pretty much every developer faces. So let's break that down. This table really lays it all out. It's about control versus abstraction. Do you need the dead simple predictability of a LangChain sequence, or do you need the fine-grained total control you get with a LangGraph reasoning loop? Or maybe what you really need is the super fast development you get from a high-level orchestration tool like Crew AI.
At the end of the day, there's no single best framework. It's not about that. The right choice completely depends on the level of abstraction your project really needs. The cool thing is, this whole ecosystem gives you the power to choose. You get to decide if you're building with individual bricks, wiring up a custom machine from scratch, or starting with a complete blueprint.
So that leaves us with one final and I think really fascinating question to chew on. As these frameworks keep getting more powerful and more abstract, are we going to see a shift? Will the most important skill for building AI in the future be less about writing code and more about being a great manager of intelligent collaborative systems?